What's up traders, how's it going? This is such an unplanned vlog, but I wanted to give you guys some updates about my life, about the trading situation that I'm in, the fact that I relocated recently and I really hope to stay in the country where I chose to relocate. I'm actually in my home country right now, but we're having some issues with the visa, with the processing documents, so we do not know for sure if we actually get to stay in this place. I moved in such a beautiful apartment. I want to show you a little bit. When I saw the announcement, I was absolutely mesmerized by everything. Especially by the view, especially by the fact that we can have a nice office in here where we can trade, where I can do my stuff, talk to the community. The nice scenery, especially at night. It's very nice lit, nice chair as well. To be honest with you, it's quite a mess most of the time, but I really love it and I do not want to show you a filtered life that looks perfect because actually I don't have it. For example, we didn't get to unpack everything. This is supposed to be the office, but now it's more like a makeup room combined with clothes, combined with other stuff. At the moment, I'm a mess because before moving in here, I planned to move in Milan, but guess what? After spending some time in there for a while, I realized that I didn't like it. I don't see myself living in Milan, so I just cut my whole plan and created one from scratch in a few days. This happened fully while I was trading with the community. However, I'm glad that I took this decision. This place looks pretty nice. It has a lot of amenities around. And if I was a man, I would have totally went for football every night. I will show you my P&L soon as well and what's happening with my trades, with the copy trader inside FXA. Basically, I really want to be fully transparent with you guys. I'm having some coffee and this is not any kind of coffee. This is coffee without caffeine, because what I forgot to tell you is the fact that lately I had a lot of health issues, like a lot. As you can see, even right now I don't feel like myself. I had to go to do multiple tests, multiple blood tests, to visit multiple doctors, and I'm still in this process because I have constant dizziness and I'm not feeling well. I'm getting tired, I'm low in vitamin D, I'm low in iron. I have all these kind of problems, which by the way you shouldn't ignore, because of course these kind of problems can affect your performance a lot. I'm telling you a lot. But I'm very glad with the fact that I'm a trader, I work from home, I work anytime. So for example, if I want to cut everything off and just focus on my health, I can. And this is exactly what's been happening in the last few weeks. I was a mess, I was moving around, but meanwhile, in the same time, I also took care of my health and I was able to access the best doctors. I was able to access them fast, any hour, any moment, because this is the beauty of being a trader. You can afford fast services, you can afford good doctors. So basically when you're trading, you're not trading only for luxurious stuff and bags and watches and whatever. No, you're trading for freedom, and I had the freedom to take care of my health in the last couple of weeks, which I feel like it's priceless. Such a beautiful sunset. So yeah, again, I'm very happy that I was able to compound my account over the years and to actually get to trade only when I'm feeling well. And I feel like working online overall is the best thing that you can do. Now, despite my health situation, which wasn't good lately, I can say that my trading was absolutely amazing. Of course, it's summer, the price is not that great. However, let me show you guys what's the situation inside my account, because it's absolutely insane. I had a very good month in the beginning of the year, and now I can say that July is my second best month of the year because I had very good profits. So yeah, let me show you guys what's up. This is my account and I wanted to show you exactly what I'm proud of. This 167k withdrawal is absolutely insane. I didn't expect to kill it this much in a summer month, right? Like usually people take a break, but unfortunately I didn't. Unfortunately, somehow I'm good and I'm reacting well in situations in which I'm under pressure, like moving around, not feeling well. I still got to trade, and I'm lucky. I want to say that I'm lucky with my team, because this was the only way in which I was able to actually do all those things and trade as well. I traded with them, we're helping each other, so this is how we actually get to have nice results that compound. And about gold, guys, you may know that sometimes I'm just doing outlooks on Instagram. I'm trying to make once a week. I was wrong, unfortunately, in my last outlook. I expected gold to break lower a bit faster. I didn't expect it to come here in the extreme area of this high. However, it's happening, but I still feel like on daily we will experience some kind of bearish movement. I'm not sure at this point. We have to see some momentum. Currently, this is what's happening inside the copy trading as well. Let me show you the results of last week. 63% profit on high risk, mid risk 55%, profit, low risk 28% profit. Around 500 people are connected. They all got to trade with us. At the moment, the copy trading registration is closed. It's a very big process in order to connect everyone. So I will let you know on Instagram and inside my Telegram channel, which is in the description, when I'm opening copy trading, when I'm offering spots inside my premium community, in which, by the way, it's not a simple community of signals. We're offering courses, we're offering one-to-one support, which means that you get to talk with us on a day-to-day basis, and we are going to support your trading journey because we are sponsored by brokers, so you do not have to pay us at all. However, keep in mind the fact that we want good results, and that's why we prefer to work with ambitious traders, ambitious people. Because if you come to us and you're like, hey, I want to make $1 million out of $50 by tomorrow, of course, we will unfortunately have to refuse your registration, to decline, and unfortunately to not work with and to not take calls with you. But if you have realistic expectations and you're ambitious and you want to trade with us, or at least you want to connect to the copy trader, you want to do something, you want to make profits out of Forex, well, it's possible. And I want to show you one more thing which I really enjoyed seeing in the last couple of days. I really love bragging with the results of the members, guys. It's my thing. I'm proud. Obviously, I'm proud of the fact that the community is working well and everyone is benefiting out of it. Okay, so look, I just posted a video about trading alone, trading with a mentor versus trading with us. However, I love when I receive comments like this. You will be losing money if you start on your own. Andrea's group helped me become profitable once I learned to stick to risk management. I'm so glad that I can help you guys. And also, a nice surprise was a member that made 45k with the signals solely, and also he commented in here, if you see this video, congratulations, you're doing great. Now the hardest part is to keep the profits, right? Because you know, it's hard to make profits in trading, right? You need a lot of spend time on charts, or at least someone to guide you. But you know what's even harder? To not get greedy, to not have FOMO after that, to not do a lot of mistakes just because you made a huge profit. So I hope that you withdraw part of your profit and you're going to manage the rest well. And another update, guys, about the Golden Trading Cup is the competition that I'm making on a month-to-month basis. I like to offer prizes. It's me and the team that actually think of those prizes. It's such a pleasure to think of such things. And basically we have prizes for the most profitable trader, for the most active trader, and also a random shuffle. And we have someone in here with 81% ROI. I have to admit that this platform has bugs, but by the time the competition ends month by month, I guarantee you that everything is fixed. We have the Hall of Fame. We started this competition some time ago, and as you can see, this was a test, but this was the winner of May and the winner of June. So congratulations to you guys. I guess that I'm going to chill right now, read a little bit, and see you tomorrow inside the group. So I won't talk a lot about the group that I own. You can find more information in the description box, and only if you're ambitious and you want to trade together, I'm waiting for you there. If not, I wish you good luck in your trading journey, and hopefully you will come back on this channel to see my next vlog. Bye!